How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another snap-on box to do a walk around tour. I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Victor Del Toro, for giving me the opportunity to review his box. Victor has a KCP1422 Classic Series roll cab with power drawer and a speed drawer. This is a highly customized box. You see he has a lot of his decals on here. Let's get started. He has his radio set up on the top. 3 speakers. So when he's down there working, he has the opportunity to jam out. A few cameras on top of the box. A drink container. This is a 55-inch 10 drawer setup. Let's go to the top drawer. So inside his top drawer, he has his tablet, safety glasses, a few tape measures, some cameras, a few odds and ends that he needs for his daily tasks. Has his COVID mask that we all been wearing since the pandemic. Let's get out of this drawer. Looks like Victor decided to go with weather stripping for his drawer liners. So Victor is a disassembly mechanic, plus he's a machinist. So you will see tooling to do both tasks in this box. I really like the idea to go with the weather stripping. It's kind of soft. You won't scratch his box up, and the adhesive won't mess up the paint whenever he decides to change it out. So we go in this second drawer here. He has some kind of tool kit. I believe this is a Harbor Freight tool kit, socket setup. I see 1/4-inch drive from a 3/16 all the way to, what we have, 11/16. He has metric and standard. Looks like he got an extra snap-on socket ratchet in here. I'm sorry. 1/4-inch drive. Put it back where he had it. Looks like he decided to purchase the 3/8 drive Wobble Plus extension from Snap-on. It's a great set. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 dead blow mallets, 1 ball peen hammer. Again, some more Snap-on. I like that orange personally. He has a 12-inch dial indicator. 12-inch dial caliber, I'm sorry. A few pry bars. I see an extra long pry bar in here. Let's see if I can get that. He has a few impact extensions. Snap on. Put that back. Nice setup. Got it all laid out to help him in his daily tasks. Let's go to another drawer. He has a bunch of all threads. I know he does a lot of bearing removals. So he needs all thread for his puller setups. Looks like he has a large assortment of 3/4 drive 12-point sockets. I think this goes all the way to 2-inch. See if I can get one out. Yeah, 2-inch. And that's a Crescent brand. 2-inch 3/4 drive socket. See if we can find the smallest socket he has. Let's see, a 5/16. And over here he has some Pittsburgh spline sockets. What's his biggest? He got an 1.5 inch socket, 1/2 inch drive. A few adapters. Those always come in handy. A few swivel adapters. Let's see what's in his case. He has a Blue Point 87-piece Torx hex bit socket set. Model number BLP THC 87. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Nice set. Got some Torx bits. Torx Allen sockets, 1/2 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/4 drive. They have the extended version along with the short version. Close this up. Head to another drawer. What's in here? This is a speed drawer. He has some drill bits, wire wheels, tap socket holder, a few mirrors, extra ratchet, taps. I see some end mills. Like I said earlier, he's a mechanic slash machinist. So there's nothing uncommon in this drawer. See a torch tip. So we're out of this drawer. What's in here? He has a few adjustable wrenches. An 18-inch Pittsburgh adjustable wrench. A few wrenches. I see some snap-on mini snap ring pliers, some wire strippers, channel locks, vice grips. Nice setup. Get out of this drawer. I like that decal. Danger. He decided to go with the cushion grip. Screwdriver set. I'm gonna say it again. This snap-on cushion grip can't be beat. He has a set of gear wrench, metric, ratchet wrenches. He goes from a 6mm all the way to an 18mm without skipping a size. Nice setup, nice. He has a standard set over here. Looks like he has Pittsburgh. He goes from a 1/4 inch all the way to a 3/4. Again, without skipping a size. We have snap-on version of the pipe wrench. Let's take a look at this model number. He has a snap-on PWZ3 and a snap-on PWZ1. So it looks like he's missing the PWZ2. I'm pretty sure that's in his plans to purchase. See a few files over here. Let's go over here. He has a whole set of the snap-on Pry Bars. Decided to go with the red. He has that 14.4 3/8 drive battery power ratchet along with a 3/8 drive impact. He has some Fowler high precision. Looks like he had a dial indicator in there. Fowler is a good brand. Large rosebud. Looks like an engraver. That engraver is well needed for carving your initials on your tools. So we have this drawer. What's in here? Looks like he has a lot of his PPE, personal protection equipment, some gloves, heat jacket, real nice face shield. I see some indicator stands down in there, wire wheels, large snap ring pliers. Let's look at these. These are Blue Points. Look like an external, internal snap ring pliers. Let's get out of this drawer. This is his power drawer. He has his battery charger for the 14.4 extra battery. He has a light. I have the same light. Oh, look at there. This is a CTL FD 761. Magnetized. I like that power drawer. Actually, this is the neatest power drawer that I reviewed yet. All right. Go to this drawer. It's like a few odds and ends. See his fluke meter, some Windex. So I'm not gonna stay in this drawer too long. So there you have it. Another toolbox tour. This is a highly customized 55-inch. This is the tall version. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.